No eyes.
Ethan just got hit and just freaking ripped the line out. I had to pull anchor and we're chasing it. I don't know what it is. If it's a huge snook or a stingray, I don't know. Hold your pole tip up. There you go. Don't jerk it, just steady reel. Okay, go ahead. What the heck you got, boy? I think it's a stingray. He's still running. Don't jerk it, just steady reel. Hold your pole up and reel. Seth, can you get the net? Could be a giant snook, we don't know yet. Let's hope so. Reel, boy, you already worn out? Ethan's already worn out. Man, one thing, he sure did take off. He pulled that 75 yards of line out quick. Hold the pole tip up. Keep reeling. He might be coming this way. Reel, reel, reel. Go to the front now. Go to the front. Go up a little bit. Go up. Go up. Reel. Reel. There you go. Don't jerk it. Hold up, Ethan. He's still running line out. Hold your pole tip up. What have you got, boy? Oh, that's not a big old stingray. I think it is. Hold your pole up. You gotta keep that pole tip up. That's part of your drag. Look at that snook! Big, huge snook. Big snook. Just steady reel. Don't jerk it. Steady reel. Reel. Hold your pole tip up. You got a giant snook, boy. A giant one. Seth, here. Come. Hold up. Hold the pole tip up. Look at that snook. Focus on the snook, Seth. Oh, gee, Ethan. Oh, dude. Oh, Ethan. Look at the size of that dude.
It's fat. Good job.
Ethan, that's your biggest snook yet, buddy. Look at the size of that beast. Ethan.
Arms.
Arms? Yeah. Worn out, huh?
See, this is bigger than that.
Look at the size of that snook. Look at that dude.
Huge.
Oh, I should have cut this line. That's your biggest one yet, Ethan? Alright, let's measure him. Come right here. That's, he goes way over 30 inches.
See?
This is,
That means he's too big.